Hi, I'm Leslie from Trips with Tykes, and I'm here to give you a look at the brand new WAYB Pico travel car seat. Right here is the travel bag. As you can see, it's quite compact, and believe it or not, there is a car seat with a 5-point harness in here. I'm just going to give you a quick little view. As you can see, this is going to be small enough to go in an overhead bin. I brought a standard carry-on suitcase just so you could compare. It's about the same depth and actually a little bit shorter. So this is pretty revolutionary for those of us who fly with babies and toddlers. The WAYB Pico is for ages 2 to 5. We're going to take it out and give it a look so you can see what it looks like. All right, let's open up the Pico. It's nice and tight in here, so it takes a little bit of extra elbow grease to get it out. Okay, this is a car seat, believe it or not. And how it works is it folds right here. You unlatch it and it comes around, and here is where you get your car seat. The only thing you have to do to set it up is right here, this little red strap. You want to pop it in until you hear the click, and here you go. This is so incredibly lightweight. You can hold it with one finger. It's astounding. I've been using it for the last 2 weeks with my 5-year-old son. And let's get into the car so you can see how easy the install is. All right, so here's the Pico. We're gonna get it installed in the car, but before we do that, the most important thing to do first is to adjust the headrest. And you should measure your child before you take your first trip with this and test it out and make sure you have the head in the proper position. So you just push this little red button here, slide it up, and I'd memorize the notch that you want to be on regularly so that you can just do it without having to measure each time. All right, so got that here for the height of my son. And the top tether for this car seat is right here in the back. Pull it out. And I also recommend loosening it up here beforehand, before you are hopping in that Uber or rental car, just so you can save yourself some time. I'm gonna thread that over so we can have that ready in just a minute. Make sure it's not twisted. All right, so let's put it here in the seat. The latch connectors are right here, conveniently installed on a little pull bar that pops back in when you unlatch them. One on each side. Let me get the other side off. And I am just going to start by latching the car seat. Okay. All right, first one's in. You heard the click. Second one's in, you heard the click. Let's go and attach the top tether. All right. There you go. And time to tighten everything down really quickly. This is a pretty quick install for a car seat, certainly a car seat of its size. But it does take a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of getting used to, and a couple of rounds of tightening just to make sure you get the fullest, tightest fit. I'm getting there. I'll do one more round. All right, look, that's pretty good. So let's get a child in here and show you how it works. All right, I have a little tester here. My son, who is 5, is going to sit in the WAYB Pico. All right, buddy, get on in.
Yay! I love that.
You love this car seat? You've been riding in it for 2 weeks.
All
right.
I guess 2 weeks.
Not 2 weeks?
Okay.
All right.
Just don't be worried. I won't pinch myself.
You won't pinch yourself? Good. Okay, so just like any regular car seat, we got the straps, the chest clip here, which we're gonna click. The rest of the 5-point harness down here, which we're gonna click.
And click again.
And click again.
Yay.
All right. And let's make sure we're not twisted there.
Twisted.
Nope. Okay. So something that's different about the Pico is instead of having a strap to tighten right here between the legs, you tighten it on this side, on either side. So you pull here, and I'm pulling here on the other side. So until we get a nice tight fit. And we're making sure that chest clip, we're still a little bit loose, so I'm gonna keep pulling. And here we go. And then we're gonna position the chest clip so it's in the right spot. We're still a little bit loose, but we'll pull it down a little bit more. And there you go, buddy. All right, so that's the Pico by WAYB, the most compact travel car seat that I've ever seen. Works for ages 2 to 5 and 22 to 50 pounds. My son, who's 5.5, is still not too tall for it, but kids will begin to age out of it between 5 and 6, depending on how tall they are. It goes up to 45 inches tall. And you still have a couple more months in it, bud. Thanks so much.
Bye-bye.